to change your blade. You got a 10mm nut, you have a combination 10mm 8mm spanner in the kit. Slacken it. Cover comes off, reveals your chain and your bar. That can just be slotted off. These bars are designed to be swapped around. Locating holes either side and an oil hole. Turn it around, oil hole. The oil hole actually fits on this side, like so. There's two, so it's even wear. If you use it on one side all the time, it'll start to wear the bar at the front edge. So it's designed to be turned over. Use it a week and turn it over to the side. If you notice, that is a cutting edge. Little tooth at the front, and your cutting edge. Tooth in the front, pointing forwards. That's the correct direction for your chain to be fitted. That's just a lug. You've got a round location to fit in the hole in the bar. The head of the adjuster has a slot in it to adjust it. Fit the chain. Locate it onto the bar. Put into the slots. Be careful, the chains are very sharp, so handle them carefully. Then you can put the chain behind the drive cog and then line it up with the adjuster. You need to hold the bar in place while you're refitting the cover. Just pushes on, put on your locking nut and just do it finger tight. You need to take a flat bladed screwdriver, locate it into the adjuster and turn clockwise. So the chain going up, again pull it. Still too much play there. You want to see about 5 of the drive teeth clear that with a reasonable pull. Okay. Alright, that feels about right. You should be able to move the chain freely. If it's tight, just slacken it off a little bit. You want the chain to move freely on the bar. So it's still better. Sharp. Once you've got the correct tension, go back on its side and retighten the nut up. And that's the chain set at the correct tension.